In this tutorial video, you will learn to find TKGM parcels on the map. When we click on the Block Parcel button from the Local Services menu, the Parcel Find panel opens. A vector layer is needed to accumulate TKGM parcels in one layer. If there is no layer, it can be created by clicking the Create New Layer button in the Data menu. We can find the parcel locating process from the parent parcel number or by clicking on the relevant parcel on the map. In the panel, the parcel is found when the Find button is clicked after the necessary places, such as the layer to be added to the data, the province selection from the province list, the district selection from the district list is filled. The panel can be cleared by clicking the Clear button at the end of the process. In order to find a parcel on the map, select the parcel from the map in the Parcel Query panel and activate the Parcel Find button and click on the area on the map to receive information. If there is parcel information at the clicked point, the parcel is added to the map. The added parcels are listed in the table. When we right-click on the parcel and click the Get Information option, the parcel information is listed on the right panel. We can download the parcel information by clicking the Download button on the right panel. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.